Here we have the Samsung Digital Inverter Echo Bubble washing machine. To operate with it, open the door, load your clothes, and close the door until you hear a click. Then open this jar and fill it with the pre-washed detergent if needed, then the normal detergent and the softener here. Close the jar, press the on and off button to turn the washing machine on. Then you can select the mode you would like to wash with. Here for the daily wash, you will see it's 1 hour 15 minutes, 40 degrees of temperature, 2 of spin rinse mode, and 1400 of spin. You can change the temperature by pressing the temperature button. Change the rinse and change the spin. To start operating, you should press the play and pause button. Once it's done, turn off the washing machine by pressing the on and off button.